Holy cheese! Machine gun, 10 o'clock. I see it. What's your name? Dave? Dave Monday? Well, not in Kansas. You gotta move up and take that machine gun. I'm staying here. Listen, you stay here, you're a dead man. Get those legs moving. Yeah. Come on. I don't have any. Have any what? Have any limbs. You don't have any. Oh. Medic. It's alright. You know you need a medic. You got Christ. That's it. I'll be fine. But your legs. You don't want them every day. So, what? I really think you need to go to a hospital. Don't worry about me. Worry about the machine gun. I'll cover you. Yeah, go. But go!
Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to see it there, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of six, something not illogical, something that's logical. Dreams are irresponsible, they're only possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind, I gotta make it.
Here we go. Let's pull the pin. Let's throw it in. Wow! Ow.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything?